people, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to build this amazing small jump. So it's a backyard jump, small mini jump, whatever you want to call it. It's only made out of wooden pallets, some 2 screws and some, I don't know what, bricks. You can use anything that will hold up the pallets. So you can use as many pallets and bricks as you want. But the more pallets you use, the bigger it will be, obviously, and the more bricks you use, the higher it will be. So let's get that build labs going. So I finished building the small backyard jump. Tell me in the comments below what you guys want me to call it. We should give it a name like El Grande or something like that. So I know it looks a bit different than it looks on the time lapses, because I changed a bit so the landing is bigger than the takeoff and you have much bigger space for tricks and stuff. So yeah. Actually, before we ride, I need you guys to like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below, because you guys are the reason I can keep making videos. So like and subscribe, and then you guys can get great content. I think we should get riding this thing. So my brother's also gonna ride with me. So yeah, let's get riding. The reason why I'm building this is the pump track is completely flooded. Let's quickly look. We had a lot of rain during this last week. Actually in 2 days. Let's see. That's about 50 millimeter rain in 2 days. 50 millimeter rain. So that's pretty hectic. And it's not supposed to rain here. It's winter, or almost winter. It's autumn. We usually only get rain until February. So yeah, it's pretty odd. I think global warming is playing a part in that. So yeah, it's pretty weird. Okay guys, I just ended the session. So next video, I'm gonna try to learn how to do a suicide no-hander on this mini jump. So it's pretty scary. Oh, and one little tip for you guys. Put a brick under this wood so it doesn't break like mine broke here. And yeah, there you have it. So I hope all of you build a ramp like this in your backyard. And shout out to everyone watching in South Africa. Big shout out to you guys. I know it's hard during this lockdown time, and I just hope that this will keep you entertained. Yeah, go build your own